In the year 2026, we are standing at a crossroads. The machines aren't just coming, they are already here. From writing code to creating art, artificial intelligence is reshaping the world at a speed we've never seen before. But as the fear of job displacement grows, a golden opportunity emerges for those who know where to look. Welcome to Neuronic, where we decode the future of the human mind and machine. Today, we aren't just looking at AI news, we are looking at your survival guide. We have analyzed thousands of data points to bring you the 5 jobs that AI simply cannot kill by 2030. These are the roles where the human spirit remains undefeated. As AI systems take over decision-making in banks, hospitals, and even courtrooms, a massive problem arises. Who watches the watchers? This is where the AI ethicist comes in. AI is a mirror of its data, and often that data is biased. A machine can make a decision, but it cannot understand justice or fairness. Companies in the US and Europe are now hiring experts to ensure their AI doesn't become a liability. You won't be a programmer, you will be the moral compass of the machine. By 2030, this will be one of the highest paying roles in the tech industry because trust is the only currency AI cannot print. While Silicon Valley builds smarter software, the physical world still needs human hands. Think about a master electrician or a specialized plumber. Robots like Tesla's Optimus are impressive, but they still struggle with the unpredictability of a broken pipe in a 100-year-old building. The fine motor skills and problem-solving required in skilled trades are incredibly complex to automate. In 2030, the person who can fix the physical infrastructure of our world will be more valuable than ever. Your hands are your ultimate insurance against the digital revolution. AI can analyze an MRI scan 10 times faster than a doctor, but it cannot hold a patient's hand and say, everything will be okay. The future of healthcare is a hybrid model. We will use AI for the data, but we will need humans for the empathy. Therapy, complex nursing, and mental health coaching are roles that require a deep understanding of human suffering and hope. AI has no soul, it has no feelings. Until a machine can truly feel, the most vital parts of medicine will remain firmly in human hands. Anyone can tell an AI to draw a cat in space, but very few can tell a story that moves 1 million people to tears. Content is becoming a commodity, but vision is becoming a rarity. The creative strategist of 2030 doesn't just make things, they decide why something should exist. They understand human culture, subtext, and irony, things that AI consistently fails to grasp. In the age of Neuronic, being a visionary is the only way to stand out in a sea of AI-generated noise. Finally, the most futuristic role of all, the neuro-interface architect. This is the heart of what we do here at Neuronic. As companies like Neuralink and others bridge the gap between brain and computer, we will need a new class of professionals to manage this transition. From surgeons who specialize in neural implants to data analysts who interpret brainwave patterns. We aren't just using technology, we are becoming it. If you want a job that is safe from AI, be the one who builds the bridge between the human mind and the machine. The future isn't a battle of human versus machine, it is a symphony of both. The 5 jobs we discussed today share one thing in common: they require the human touch. Subscribe to Neuronic to stay ahead of the curve and master the era of intelligence. The machines are ready. Are you? Your journey into the future starts today.